Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change your Facebook account password. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in Open Facebook application. You need to get logged in by providing your ID and password. I have already get logged into my account. At the very first page of Facebook, you can see three horizontal lines on top right corner. Tap on it. Scroll to the down. You can see Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it. Under Setting and Privacy, you can see Settings option. Tap on Settings. Here, in the Security section, you can see Security and Login. Tap on it. Tap on Change Password. Here, to change your account password, you need to provide your current password, then go for providing a new password. Go in for providing a new password. Retype your new password for the confirmation. Tap on Update Password. Your Facebook password has been successfully changed. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can change your Facebook account password. Thank you.